Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is going to be some cleaning and some random chores that I needed to get done over the course of a few days. You guys know that most of the time I cannot get a long list of stuff done in one day unless I really make it a point to, but most of the time I do a little bit each day. Here it was morning after breakfast and I decided to just get right to it and clean the bathroom. The only thing I didn't get to do was the tub.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
It wouldn't focus on the cleaner I'm using, but it's called CLR Kitchen and Bath Cleaner. I've used this a few times now and I like it. The main reason I wanted to try it was because it's listed as like a safer choice or something like that, and I've been trying to be more careful with what cleaning products I use, especially as far as breathing in the fumes.
So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe.
For the cabinet, I was just using this Windex with vinegar. I'm just using this up. I probably won't buy it again. I think I'll just use Pine Sol probably, or some other cleaner that I already have.
We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
This is a new day now, and I'm just starting off with getting some laundry going. Let me know what you guys do with your laundry. Do you sort things? Do you not? I know some people just grab a whole bunch of whatever and wash it. So I don't know, I feel like I might be in a minority here of people who still sort their laundry. But today I was doing a big load of towels.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky.
Then I just had a couple chores to get done. First one being unloading the dishwasher. Noah loves to help me with this. I think it's so cute. He hands me everything he can reach and pull out, and he says here for every single thing. I have been really good at unloading the dishwasher in the morning and starting the day with an empty one. I feel like it just helps so much to start the day off right. The dishwasher will be empty and I can just load it up with dirty dishes throughout the day.
We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Now I'm up in Chase's room. I had been needing to hang up a curtain rod for this window for over a month now, and it was just time that I got it done. There was an air conditioner in this window that we took out, and so then it needed a curtain. I had to drill some holes, and I'm just going to be using another one of those cheap rods from Walmart. I think they're like $5 or something. I have the same ones on his other two windows, so I figured I'd just make it all match and get the same kind again. They have been working fine, so for now, cheap curtain rods it is. And yes, I am going to be painting the whole upstairs. I'm just trying to get the downstairs done first. I did paint just underneath where I needed to install the curtain rod so that I wouldn't have to paint around the hardware later on.
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not
I just hung up the wrong curtains. Whoops.
Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Here I got bundled up to go outside because I needed to straighten up all our cardboard and bottles on our deck. In January, our town switched to twice monthly pickup for recycling instead of every week, so our cardboard situation was getting a little out of control.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
This is a different day now, but I just needed to do a quick clean of my bedroom, and it was nighttime here, so I'm sorry for the bad lighting. We don't have the best lighting in this room. We just have a floor lamp on the one side, and it's just not enough for nighttime filming. Luckily, during the day, though, this room gets a lot of nice sunlight.
think about me because I'm starting to.
I can't wait to paint this room. Every time I film in here, I get more anxious to finally do it. And if you're wondering what happened to the wall over the bed, I know that looks terrible. There is a stick-on decal that I tried to remove, but it ended up pulling the paint right off the wall, so now all that has to be fixed. I think I might just go ahead and mud over that one day though, just so I don't have to look at it anymore.
We will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up.
At the very end of the night, when we were all done using the kitchen, I just did a sink scrub, and I'm just using this Barkeeper's Friend liquid formula. I know there's a powder one too, but I have the liquid one. One thing about this cleaner though is that you really need to rinse it well, or else you'll see like streaks on your sink after it dries. So I do go around the sink a few times with the water to make sure I rinse it all off really well. That is it for this video though. I hope it gives you some motivation to get whatever it is done that you've been needing to do, even if it requires power tools. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you can see new videos, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.
But I want